Good morning, guys. How are you doing? Today is December 5th, and we are going to start with our topic. In today's topic, we have soil pollution. This is English for ninth grade. This is class number 8, and my name is Sabi Vega. Which are the objectives for today's class? The students will be able to identify the different causes of land contamination, talk about the ways to dispose waste, and discuss the importance of the 3R. Today, our topic is really important, land pollution. It is also known as soil pollution. It is the way how human beings dispose the waste and pollute the environment. Observe this picture. In this picture, you can see a lot of garbage, a lot of trash from different sources like paper, plastic bags, bottles, maybe organic. So there is not a way to distribute or dispose from the waste properly. And this is affecting our environment. So in today's vocabulary, let's focus on two things. The word pollution, that is contamination. Pollution is anything that makes air, land, and water dirty. We have another important word today, reduce. What is reduce? Is to cut back on how much you use something. One example that is practicing in Panama to reduce the contamination or the pollution is the use of reusable bags. Yes, these bags are not made of plastic. They are like made of a different material. They can be used every time you go to the you brought with you your bag, so you don't need to use plastic bags anymore. Reduce is the best way to deal with trash. Is not have anything. Reducing the amount of trash you have to throw out actually prevents waste from piling up in the first place. To reduce your waste, avoid unnecessary packaging and items designed to be used only once. Reduce your single-use plastic bag by bringing your own bag when you shop and use a travel mug when you buy coffee. Choose durable, reusable products to make trash. Okay, in today's class, we are going to learn about the 3 R's, reuse, reuse, and recycle. Are terms that you need to know in order to avoid or reduce the land or soil contamination. In this picture, we observe some bins, trash cans, and they are different color. Each color represents one type of material from waste. So you need to be sure to know which color corresponds to each material. Okay, in here we have the blue one is for paper, the yellow one is for metal, the red one is for plastic, this green is for glass. Okay, so every time you go out your house and if you can see any of these bins, sure to put or dispose the waste in the correct bin. What is land pollution? Land pollution is the destruction of the earth land surface, often directly or indirectly as a result of human activities and their misuse of land resources. It occurs when waste is not disposed of properly, or can occur when humans throw chemicals onto the soil in the form of pesticides and fertilizers during agriculture practice. Exploitation of minerals like mining activity has also contributed to the destruction of the Earth's surface. Now, let's watch a video about this problem that affect our planet.
Before we start today's episode, I have an important message to share with you. As you must be aware, due to new policies, you are not able to collect garbage can still share your valuable feedback, comments, views, and love at our email ID, feedback@gmail.com. Similarly, you can also visit our Instagram and Facebook page and connect with us. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Oh no, little kitty, we can't stay here. This will polluted. Oh no, oh yes. Hey friends, just like any other pollution, land pollution has gradually become a significant challenge we need to overcome for establishing a healthy environment. So, in today's episode, let's pollution, how it occurs, and how it affects living things. Most importantly, what can prevent it? Zoom in. So I'm sure you must be wondering what exactly this thing called soil pollution is. Well, soil pollution refers to the contamination of soil, abnormal concentrations of toxic substances like trash, debris, poisonous chemicals, etc. In other words, when the level of such toxic and unwanted substances in the soil increases, it can cause severe damage to organisms such as plants, animals, and humans. The soil is said to be contaminated or polluted, but factors responsible for soil pollution. There are many factors responsible for it, from the use at giant factories, excessive use of pesticides on agricultural land, to the trash thrown away in our homes and schools. Dear friends, trash caused by us is one of many ways that soil polluted. Your garbage is picked up from your home or school. It is brought to a landfill where it's buried in soil to decompose over time, which releases greenhouse gas methane, may lead to global notably different kinds of soil pollution to have adverse effects on the health of both animals as well as humans, as the harmful chemicals that can soil and water can cause cancers, deformities, and skin problems. So, here comes the most crucial question. What can we do to prevent soil pollution? Well, as they say, if you want to change the world, start with the winner. Yes, my friend, something as small as picking up trash in your surroundings can make a huge difference. But the most important thing you can do to control waste is by producing less and less of it. And some ways to do so include not using paper napkin or paper towel unless you absolutely need one. Drink water from a cup rather than a plastic bottle. And being sure to properly dispose harmful trash like batteries and computer equipment. And soon you'll have a better world to live in. It's trivia time. Did you know that spring billion tons of topsoil each year because of pollution? Also, you will see 80% of the world's forest has been destroyed in South Africa. 90% of the tropical forest cover is demolished. That's pretty worrying, isn't it? Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Until next time, Dr. Violence signing out.
Okay, now let's think about some of the ways we can protect our environment. How can people dispose of the waste? Well, Mr. Barnacles, most people bury the trash. That's the release of some gases that global. Which are the causes of soil pollution? There are two causes, natural and anthropogenic. The natural causes of soil pollution provoked by the phenomenon, the natural phenomenon. For example, volcanic eruptions. Yes, when erupt, it releases some gas, also some ash and lava that contaminate our soil. Earthquake. When our earth shakes, there are cracks that open, and it also can soil pollution. Some geographical changes, some changes in the rainfall patterns, like for example, in the previous week we had Eta hurricane that caused a lot of landfalls and rain that causes soil pollution. The tsunami, those are natural causes of soil pollution. Now we have the anthropogenic, the ones caused by the human activities. The solid. This is the trash we human beings produce and through or dispose inappropriately. We have the agricultural practice that uses a lot of fertilizer and this contaminates the soil. The chemical waste, the radioactive waste that is produced by the big factories, mining and smelting, and the constructions activity. All are these are the causes of soil pollution. Now let's check this video. More about this issue.
Hello, my friends. I hope that all of you are doing great. Today, we're going to have another after class activity. Previously, we learned about two types of pollution, air pollution and water pollution. We have listed some of the causes and effects of these two phenomena. We also suggested some solutions to stop them. Today's lesson is going to be about land pollution. And just so you know, this is going to be the last lesson about the theme of pollution. But wait a second, do we even know what land pollution is? The answer to our question is here. Land pollution means the presence of toxic chemicals in soil. It occurs mainly due to the indirect and direct effects of human activities. Now let us find out about some of the causes of land pollution. Land pollution is caused by the garbage that we throw away every single day. Even though some of this garbage is recycled, most of it is found on the ground when it is put into landfills. Mining can cause land pollution too. When people mine, it causes there to be holes that are put into the ground. These holes can release gases and toxic waste that affect our health. Factories make waste and garbage as well. Most of these factories use chemicals that end up on the ground. reuse, recycle, and reuse. We can reduce solid waste pollution only by recycling and reusing materials such as cloth, plastic bags, and peanuts rather than disposing. As a second solution, we can reduce the use of pesticides and fertilizers in agricultural activities. Finally, we need to produce less trash. For example, instead of drinking water out of plastic bottles, we could just drink it using a cup. Now I have a task for you to do. Hello, my
Okay. Now it's time to read. 7 things you can do to help to stop soil pollution, dispose of hazardous waste responsible. Number 2, avoid single-use plastic. Number 3, recycle, recycle, recycle. Number 4, think twice before buying new electronic devices. Number 5, top of eco-friendly and reusable bags. Choose eco-friendly gardening, cleaning, and personal care products. Number 7, compose your food waste. In this way, let's be the solution to stop soil pollution. A very short reading from the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations. Okay, most of you know that the final exam is an environmental poster. We have been talking about the different type of pollutions, like the air pollution and pollution, and we have 2 more pollutions that we need to talk about. Water pollution, okay? But you have to select one of them and then create an environmental poster. Presenting the different ways or the different solutions we as a human beings can make the change in our environment and the impact we have on it.